This pile of old cloth is being turned into a material so tough it can survive walking across an entire country. The process starts by taking small pieces of leftover fabric and layering them with a thick paste made from flour. This creates a thick sheet that is pressed flat and left in the sun to harden into a stiff board. Because once it is dry, several of these sheets are stacked together to create a dense platform that is surprisingly tough, as the artisan uses a large needle to punch through every single layer, which requires immense strength. This is the hardest part because if the stitches are not tight enough, the whole thing will fall apart under pressure, so they use a heavy hemp thread to bind the layers together with over 2,000 individual stitches, which is why it takes days of constant work just to finish a single pair, because this process makes the material as hard as wood while remaining breathable for the person wearing them, finally creating a traditional pair of 1,000-layer sole cloth shoes.